So here's my train. It's the Lionel, 5 cars. There's the transformer. As you can see, the train runs fine. It's got 14 pieces of track. I guess 8 of them are curved. And 6 are straightaways. And I've also got this funky catalog, pretty neat I think, from 1960 of Lionel accessories. So the train keeps chugging along. Sometimes when it goes around the curve it slows down and I gotta give it a little nudge to get it going. And one of the cars, as you can see, is taped up. This is the flatbed car that must have been stepped on when I was a kid. Okay, see, zipping along. I'm going to turn it off. Got the transformer. This is the transformer. I don't have the original wires. I still have this lock-on connector, though. Hope you like the train.